Good evening, I'm Nate Belt.
And I'm Juliette Dragus.
The Michigan Supreme Court ruled today in favor of auto accident victims who were calling for change to the state's 2019 no-fault auto insurance reform.
13 on your side's Josh Albertus is following this case, and he has details of the impact of what the court decided.
The court ruled that caps on insurance payments for medical care for catastrophic accident victims do not apply to those who were being treated before 2019.
This kind of justifies our battle for the last 2 years, this court hearing today.
A long-awaited decision. The Michigan Supreme Court ruling on Monday that those injured in catastrophic auto accidents before major changes were made to insurance law in 2019 will still have the same amount of care covered through personal injury protection insurance as was under their original plans.
Essentially what the court ruled was that those individuals are really grandfathered in, and the amendments don't apply to them.
The ruling applies for about 17,000 accident survivors receiving care before 2019. Those like Mike Harold, who was left paralyzed decades ago.
I can move on with my life and the difficulties that I have, and this is one less that I have to worry about that I've been worried about for the last 2 years, because I would have to make up a lot of difference of what wasn't being provided by the insurance company. I would be required to pay, or I would lose my attendant care.
Supporters of the cost caps responding with disappointment, saying the ruling goes against lowering insurance costs and could open medical providers to overcharging and prescribing additional care that may not be needed.
Today, the court let down consumers across Michigan and opened the floodgates for overcharging for medical procedures and higher rates. You can't reasonably expect to save Michigan drivers money while obliterating a key cost control measure like the fee schedule.
Even after the ruling, Harold believes there's still more to be done to protect those who will someday be injured who will face the caps.
I have empathy for people who are going to be injured today, this week, and their family members, and they thought they had insurance to protect them, and they're going to find out they don't. And that's who I want to, with more work needs to be done yet to help these people out.
Josh Albertus, 13 on your side.